right there. I was always concerned there was going to be a feedback loop. So emanating from Monty's corner. In the podcast.
Jack wrote a journal talking about some of his memories of Monty today. He posted it on the website, and he told a story I'd forgotten about, which was when we were out shooting First Immersion, which was the video game car. That we were between takes and we were between setups, and we were all standing around, and we were like, "You hear heavy metal music? Like, where's that coming from?" And that was the first time I experienced Monty in powered down mode. He was just off to the side with his headphones in, full blast, and he was totally asleep. And we went up, we were like, are you okay? Do you want to turn that down a bit? And he just woke up for a second.
It was loud enough that outside with the wind blowing like 20 miles per hour, in this big wide open space, and everybody